Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to merge two videos on Instagram Edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like and drop a comment. So let's begin. The first thing to do now is to simply create a new project so we can start merging our videos. There are two options. Either you can start like having an overlay or you can have some kind of transition so you can merge your videos. So let's suppose we want this one and I'm just going to click on this one, and from here we will have this video that has only this red background, etc. As you can see, we will already have this option of adding videos, and this will only allow you to add another video to your footage, and it's not really merging. So simply you can have some uh, transition that would allow you to have it kind of merged or like to have it like fluid. Otherwise, if you want to have a more merging effect, you will be needing to simply have overlays. Now we can click on overlay, and from here I will choose any uh, video or any footage. So I'm just going to choose this one and I'm going to add it on the top of my video. Now it is black, or it has this black background, etc. Now we will need just to add a cutout effect to my video so it can only be shown itself. So we will be needing to have something clear. So I'm just going to track the object and I'm just going to select manually. And from here, I will just like add these spots, and basically I will have it like this, and then it should track my object. And basically because it has many color, it's finding problems to track it. So let's just do it with a clearer object. I'm just going to delete this one, overlay, choose this one, and I'm going to add it and use our cutout objects. And simply we will need to add it here and click on done. And as you can see, it will have these effects of merging. So you can see already the difference, and now it has been added correctly. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.